Okay, this is blind contour, and blind contour is where we don't look at the drawing, we only look at the subject. And the subject in this case is going to be my hand. So I want to look at my hand only, and I don't want to look at my drawing as I do this. Now I'm going to use a number 4B pencil, a fairly dark, soft pencil. So pick something like that to do. Use a darker pencil. And what I'm going to do is start. I'm going to hold my hand and not flat like this, facing me. I'm going to actually curl some fingers and make a position, pose my hand a little bit, and then I'm going to get my hand over here ready to draw. And I'm going to actually start by looking at one point and then let my eyes crawl along the surface of this. And I'm going to look for all the details as I go because there are creases and wrinkles and all of that. And I'm going to draw those as I go. So I'm going to get started now. And I'm going to start by put my pencil down and look carefully at the shapes and forms. I want to look for every little bump and crease and dip and fold and everything. I'm traveling up the side of my thumb right now and I see some creases, so I'm going to go in and get those creases and draw those a little bit. There's another one there. And then as I travel up further, I'm going to see where I reach the nail, the base of the nail, and I'm going to travel up around that edge of the nail and then along the top of the nail, and I'm going to come back down. It's almost a straight line, kind of, and I go back up to the edge now. I don't know if I'm actually going to the right places or not, but that's okay. And I'll travel around the top of my thumb down like this, and I see I'm getting to a crease. So there's a crease right there, and I'm going to travel down further, and I'm going to see another crease right here. Of course, I'm going to have more creases and wrinkles than you, probably. I'm older, right? So, and now I'm going to go and here's one that travels down that way. And I don't have to get every tiny little crease. I get the major folds, and that's good. And I see another one that goes up like this and back again, traveling further up the side of my hand. I can actually see a little bit of the knuckle push out right there. I'm going to get that and travel up here to the edge of my finger. And then I'm just going to keep drawing, keep traveling along, look for bumps. It's best to do this slowly, carefully, slowly. Try not to rush this. Try to get your details and not rush it. And try to draw exactly what you see. And don't peek at your drawing. This is the hard part. Everybody wants to peek at their drawing and see how they're doing. But it's not about what the drawing looks like. It's about the process of looking carefully. Sometimes you have to travel back over certain areas, so you might have to backtrack on lines, and that's okay. Just make sure you don't lift your pencil. Keep it down. Okay, now I can look at my drawing.